Sometimes you don't find yourself quite where you wanted to be. This has been a tough season for me. I have found myself being drawn into nature more and more. Nature has a way of reminding you it'll all be okay. God's got this. The wild can bring your soul back to a place of remembering what matters most. And in my case, that's my children. My children continually help me to recenter, to see the beauty and simplicity of life, to see the Creator's hand in everything. And when I see them play carefree, I know that God is inviting me to do the same. I don't have to carry the weight of the world. None of us do. Remember, who you are is more than what you do. One of the hardest lessons for me has been learning it's okay for me to not be okay.
You can do it.
This season will end and I will come out stronger and more refined. For now, 1 minute, 1 moment, 1 day at a time.
That's what an owl says? Yeah? What do you think an owl says? Woo, woo. Your turn. Oh, yours is cute. That would have been funny.
And I was so tempted to do it. You would have known.